Hello everyone and welcome. In this presentation I'm going to talk about our crypto monitoring application. I will show you how to install it and how to use it. So this application is used to identify crypto arbitrage situations as they arise between different crypto exchanges. The application makes it possible to see these arbitrage situations in real time, but you can also record historical data and then analyze it. So you can export a record of arbitrage situations and you'll be able to see the kinds of arbitrage situations that have happened between different altcoins or between different cryptocurrencies, at what time they happened, and the kind of profits that you could have made. So once you've received the installation file, just open it. You can see that the application is fully certified, so there are no viruses or any other security risks, so you don't need to worry about anything. Once you open the file, just click on Next, and then on Next again, and then on Install. So you're now prompted to launch the application. Hit Finish. In the registration window that appears right here, just enter your name, followed by your email address. And then click on Register. So we have to wait a little bit for this to load. Shouldn't be very long. So an email has been sent to confirm your email address, so let's confirm it. I'm just going to open my inbox and find the email. There it is. Confirmed. So that's done. And I can now launch the program. So double click. Okay, so right away the application offers you to choose the exchanges that you would like to use for receiving data, and then choose the symbols on the right. This window will only appear once, and that's when you first launch the program. It will not open again, but if you need to change anything at some point later on, you can do that, and I will show you how to do that in a few moments. So let's click on OK, and we now need to wait a little bit. The application is creating symbol lists for each exchange. Shouldn't take very long. Once that's done, we will see arbitrage situations as they happen between different exchanges. So we're almost there. Okay, so the application is fully launched at this point, so we're just going to expand this window a little bit. So you're now seeing arbitrage situations in real time. So you see the symbol for each arbitrage situation. You can see the buy exchange and the sell exchange. So you need to buy this symbol on this exchange and then sell it on that one. You also see the buy price and the sell price. You see the price difference, and you can see the top of the book volume, which is used to calculate the maximum profits that you could have made on this arbitrage situation. So this is where arbitrage situations appear in real time. You can see that there are quite a few of them. If you look at the bottom, you will see your barriers. Now, what are these barriers? They're a bit like profit parameters. So for example, if you want to see all arbitrage situations that will yield a profit of 0.1 Bitcoins, $500, and 0.2 Ethereum, then these are the barriers that you would use. If you're okay with smaller profit levels, then you can just lower the barriers. So let's just do that as an example. And you can see that the number of arbitrage situations increases right away. If you look at the very top, there's also a history tab. So once an arbitrage situation disappears from the real-time screen, it is moved to this window under the History tab. A total of 500 records will be collected. They will be stored here in the space. And then this history will be stored in a file, which you can access through the menu at the bottom. So right here. You can choose the symbol whose history you would like to view. Right, so you first need to pause the program. So let's do that. So you can choose the symbol whose history you would like to view, as well as the exchange. And the window will now display the saved history for the symbol and the exchange. You will see all the records that have been saved. You can also have a file exported for longer periods, if you have longer periods saved, that is. You can click on Open History folder, and you will see the historical data here, and you can then analyze it by, let's say, loading this data in Excel for analytical purposes. So I'm just going to close out of this window. At the very bottom at the very bottom right here, you will see links to products that should be useful and that they should complement this program. So the first link is for a fully automated arbitrage application. If you download it, it will trade in fully automated mode. It will work with arbitrage situations between the exchanges of your choosing. There's also a link to another product called First Crypto Trader ICO. This is a very interesting new product that we're working on right now, and we encourage you to click on the link and take a look to see what it's all about. You can download the prototype for this program free of charge at no cost to you, and then incorporate that prototype into your arbitrage trading. So we'd now like to show you how you can make changes to the exchanges and symbols that you selected when you first launched the application. So let's close this window. So the application is located in two places. So we need to go to Program Files, then click on the Digital Humanity folder, and then on Crypto Arbitrage Monitor. So the currency list is right here, and you can just eliminate the folder. So let's go to App Data. We need to get to our roaming. So App Data, there it is, and roaming. And then locate the Crypto Arbitrage Monitor folder and then remove it. And once it's removed, you can just set up the application once again, but you will need to use another email address for registration. If you just remove the data, so all these contents right here, then you'll be prompted to choose your exchanges and symbols when you launch the application. So let's do that. I'm just going to delete all of this stuff right here. So let's click on delete, and that's gone. And now we can launch the program. Okay, so the window, there it is. There's that window. So if I want to eliminate certain symbols and exchanges this time, I just deselect them and then click on OK. And the application will now start anew and reflect your most recent selection. So if you want to make changes to the lists, you just need to delete the contents of your data folder. But if you want to set up the program and re-register using a different email address, then you will need to delete the folders as has been shown. So just to sum everything up, the primary use of this program is to identify arbitrage situations between altcoins or crypto exchanges, which in turn will make it much easier for you to use our fully automated crypto arbitrage software. You will not need to deposit funds in a large number of exchanges. Instead, you'll be able to deposit funds in the most active exchanges, for example, in the top 2 most active exchanges, or the most active cryptocurrencies. If trading conditions change, you just change the exchanges and move your deposit funds as required, which, by the way, is very easy to do if you use our second product, First Crypto Trader, which you can download for free. Thank you for your time. Thank you for joining us, and good luck with your trading.